Alright, I'm here with my man Dallas.
Yeah.
He's been doing a big one today. We've done the skylight there. Boys put that in yesterday. And look at the size of this ensuite now. It is huge. What a difference it's made. So that's all happening here now. Pretty happy with the way that's come out. That is a really good sized ensuite now. That's coming along really well. Pretty cool. And bathroom, all the plumbing's gone in, everyone's done here. Big mix phase wiring. He's out of control here, so that's going good. Well, he's in control, really. He's out of control. So that's all going well. There's Mick in the laundry, just putting in the LED light, doing his best work. So that's looking great. Young Jamie here, ripping the front door frame out, getting that ready for the new door. A few bits and pieces here on the floor for him to use to get that all ready. Outside here in the glorious Gold Coast sunshine, we've got the nice mess out here. Been digging up the side. This has all been happening, getting it all clear and clean so we can get some crushed rock put in through here. That's looking great. That's going past the ensuite there. All the yard here all cleaned up. Got me little dingo down there so I can continue to clear. Boy's going well. He's be out in the sun today, and I'm working it hard. I'll be on the machine, bringing all these rocks. Plenty of rubbish out here now to clear up in the yard. It's all got to be gone before next week. The pool's coming. That's why there's a big rush to get all the side dressed up. Big pile of crushed rock now. That's all got to go down the side there. So it's all happening here in Surfers Paradise, guys. There we go. Jamie's got the front door pulled apart. Threshold's gone. Door frame gone. Look at that. So nice new timber door frame going in. It's going to be great. Here we go. The brute on the trailer. Just when you think day's done, just going to give the driveway a quick sweep and you're out of here. The pallet of tiles got to go inside. So here we go. All of this work is done now. All the rocks have been brought in. Pool's going to go in, so we couldn't get the rocks in after that goes. And I've got them all piled up down the side here, ready to go. So now I can just dress this side and all up through here, all get dressed up with the rocks up to there, and then that'll be done. Beautiful. It's been a big day, been an absolute beauty today. It's been hot, been on the machine, as you saw in our other video. Jamie's been flat out. Front door on. Boys have been working hard inside. All the wiring's done. And now one exhausted man's got a pallet of tiles he's got to unload. The ensuite been framed up. Ready to go. That wall's been pulled out. Nice big ensuite now. Fantastic. I'm really pleased with that. So anyway, I won't talk for too long today. I'm knackered and those tiles ain't going to bring themselves in. Okay, see ya.